We'll guide you through how to hard reset an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, I want to make it clear that people can go and define hard resetting differently. Some people may go and define it as doing a forced restart, turning it off and back on, perhaps it's frozen or something's not working. But also hard resetting may go and mean for some people completely wiping everything and deleting everything on the phone, having a fresh start. We're going to guide you through both of these in this video. So what we're going to do is start by doing the forced restart, hard reset. So that is going to go and vary. Come onto the buttons on the side. On some phones, you need to go and hold down just the side button. Keep it held down, it will go black and come back on. Some you need to go and hold down the side button and the volume down. Some it's the volume up. So on this Samsung, we have to go and press the side button and the volume down like so. Keep these held down. Shortly you'll go and see this screen here, but you want to go and keep them held down. Shortly it's going to go black, as you can see, and then what you can do is go and release. And now it should go and automatically go and restart. Very shortly you should go and see that it starts booting, as you can see. When it comes back on, you can then go and enter in your screen log and hopefully you manage to achieve what you wanted to. Now, if you want to go and hard reset it in the sense where you go and remove everything, we're going to guide you through that now. To go and do this, we need to go and put the device into recovery mode. So this can vary a little bit. On some devices, what you'll need to do is go and tap and hold the side button and the volume down button. And you literally just keep that held down until you go and enter into recovery mode. On others, it can go and vary as well. So you may need to go and research how to go and put your device into recovery mode. We can then guide you through resetting it from there. For example, on this Samsung, what you need to do is go and tap and hold the side button like so. Then you go and press power off and press power off again. Then we'll go and wait for it to go and shut down. It shouldn't go and take too long. Then you'll go and feel it vibrate when it's shut down. Now, on some devices, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to go and hold down the side button and the volume increase button. And then you keep it held down and it will go and start into recovery mode. However, for this specific device and this version of Android, or this version of the Samsung Android, I find it has to be plugged into a computer. So I've got one end of the cable plugged into a computer and I'll plug the other end into the phone. So what I recommend you do is you can try doing this, and if it doesn't work, you can then try plugging it into the computer and hopefully that'll get it working, but you can try without it first. Wait until it starts charging and you can see the amount there. Then what you want to do is go and hold the side button and the volume increase button together like so. Now go and keep these held down. Shortly we should go and see the boot. At this point you can release and you'll go and see Samsung Android, go and wait. Be patient while it goes and launches, it shouldn't go and take too long, and as you can see, we're now in Android recovery. So then what you can do is go and see the different options here. You can always just go and select reboot system if you're in here accidentally and press the side button. But if you want to go and wipe the data and factory reset it, use the downwards volume key to go down the list or press up to go up. With it selected, press the side button, and then as you can see, we can go and reset everything. Everything is going to be wiped, so note that, and if you're sure, you can then press factory data reset, and that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.